Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the view time for your snaps on Snapchat. If you ever wanted to adjust how long your friends can see your snap before they disappear, this guide is for you. Let's jump right into the video. Alright, so let's get started. Open up Snapchat and go to the camera screen. That's where you normally take snaps. Once you are on the camera screen, you'll want to take a snap, whether it's a video or a photo, because we are going to adjust the view time for this snap. Now that you have taken your snap, you'll see a little clock icon with infinity at the side. Tap on that, then you'll see various of options like 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and that infinity sign is no limit sign. You can choose any of the options which lets your friend keep viewing your snaps until they manually swipe away. So if you want your friends to have more time to see your snaps, you can set it to infinity. This is perfect for snaps where you want them to read a longer message or fully appreciate a cool photo or videos. Once you have picked your view time, simply tap and you are all set. Just like that, your snap will be sent with the custom viewing time you choose. And keep in mind, you can adjust this time every time you send a snap. So whether you want a quick view or a longer experience, it's totally up to you. And that's it. It's that simple to change your view time on Snapchat in 2024, whether you are sending a quick snap or more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also hit on that bell notification so that you won't miss any of our videos.